Dr. Ambedkar Memorial is now open for public in London. The memorial will feature some of his important works, rare pictures and also clothes that he wore as a student of the London School of Economics. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the house-turned-memorial in London.
Number 10 on King Henry Road in London is now a tourist attraction. Dr. Ambedkar's home for 2 years during 1921 and 22 is now a memorial in honour of the social reformer. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the memorial during the third and the last day of his visit to London.
कुछ दिन इसको हम ओपन रखेंगे, उसके बाद वापस इसको बंद करके अभी काम हमारा पूरा नहीं हुआ है, सो 2 मंजिला और हमको उसमें तैयार करनी है, वो करने के बाद ही हम इसको पब्लिक के लिए ओपन करेंगे.
The 3-storied building on King Henry Road, inaugurated by the Prime Minister Mr. Modi on a very rainy day in London, was purchased by the Maharashtra government for a little over 40 crore rupees. But then it just got a cosmetic touch-up. It does need a lot of repair and renovation, for which it is going to be shut down soon. It is told by the organisers that Dr. Ambedkar's many works on several research papers on economics will be on display here inside the memorial.
These days we were waiting for last 46 years. We waiting for this day. Not a lot of things. Some of the remnants of his historic place, like when he called to the bar, because he went from here to travel to London School of Economics as well as LSE. So there will be some of his clothing, how he used to dress up, and those sort of his own original clothing and all that will be there. So it will be really very nice and very great excitement for the people.
उन्होंने विदिन सेकंड मोदी जी को फोन लगाया कि भाई ये घर जो है ये निवेदन इस तरह का लेकर आइए, और साहब ने फोन पे ही बोला कि ओके ठीक है, 40 करोड़ रुपया जो है सरकार के लिए पिन्नट है और ये घर आप ले लो. तो मुझे मोदी सरकार को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना मैं चाहूंगी कि ना कोई कैबिनेट, ना कोई विचार, ना कोई मंथन, ताबड़तोड़ नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, और फटाक से उन्होंने कह दिया कि ओके कोई बात नहीं है, ये बहुजनों का और पूरे बहुजनों के लिए, भारत के लिए बड़ी अभिमान की बात है.
The Memorial Trust is considering sponsoring students and visiting faculty who may be doing research on Dr. Ambedkar and his works in economics. A photo biography of the architect of the Indian Constitution will greet the visitors. Radhika Iyer reporting from London, NDTV.